Do you want to wake up with glowing skin every morning? Then let me show you my secret nighttime skincare routine. Your first step is double cleanse. And at nighttime, by the time you get home in the evening or at nighttime, you've been wearing makeup, you've had a long day, so you need to double cleanse your skin. So I double cleanse. I start off with the Bioderma, the price tag is still on there, so forgive that, with the Bioderma Sensible H2O. So what I do, this is the first step of my cleansing. I go in and I cleanse it. Oh my God, this feels so good. So from now on, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure you double cleanse. This is step one. This is just to remove any makeup you've been wearing. I don't wear any makeup. So what this does is this removes sunscreen. So even when you wear sunscreen, you're going to need to remove any residue from the day, from the sunscreen. So, oh God, I'm finding it awkward talking and doing my skincare regime at the same time, but we move. So you go with that. Some people like to use an oil cleanser for the first step because that removes grit and dirt, but I like this, so I go in with that. For the second step of my cleanser, I go in with the simple moisturizing facial wash with B5. I've been meaning to upgrade for quite a while, but I really like this. It works. So you go in with that. And then what you do is once you put it on your hand, you rub it. Make sure you have the soap because it's the soap that cleanses. And then you just cleanse it. Oh my God, this feels so good. I don't know why you wouldn't want to cleanse your face at night, because cleansing, it's like, it's not only cleansing away all the dirt and the grime, it's like cleansing away all the stress of the day. This is like self-care and self-love. You don't need to go to a spa to have self-care. You can have a little bit of magic every night. So make sure that you do that for at least 60 seconds. It's the foam that cleanses, So you cleanse. So this is the second step in my cleansing regime. Yep. So what I'm going to go now and do is I'm going to go and wash this off, and I'll see you in a few minutes. So I washed off the soap, and what I usually do is I don't like to use a towel. I like to air dry it. And then these days, at this present point in time, I'm going in with the Zin number 5 toner pads. So what I do is I put one there. It comes with all sorts of nice ingredients in it. It brightens, it's hydrating. The weather has been quite harsh these days, so my skin has needed quite brightening. These toner pads, you can just stick them on to your face like that, on the places that you feel needs them. So you just apply that. Sometimes I leave it on for a few minutes, but for the sake of time, I'm just going to show you. Then you just, cleanse. You take one, you cleanse behind your ears. Don't forget your neck. It's very important that as you're doing your regime, you always do your neck, because you don't want your face to be nice and glowy, and your face and your neck, even down to your décolletage and behind your neck. You cleanse everywhere. Oops. So, just cleanse. Use it to cleanse any of the residue of the cleanser. Once I've gone in with that, I now go in with my annual rice toner. You can double up on your toner right? You think come here, I'm 58. Yes, I'm 58, and the reason my skin looks this good is because I double up, you know. So I've got that here and I apply that as well. So tonight I'm using double toner. And when you use your products, you don't wait for your skin to be entirely dry. Once it's 70 to 80% dry, then you can apply the next product. And this rice milk toner is so good. It's so hydrating. I love it. Don't forget your neck. I also apply it on my neck. Apply it down. You see, you can already see that just from those two toners, you can see that the skin is already popping. Why would you miss this step at night? You know, this is the magic. This is where all the magic happens. So that when you're sleeping, all these products are working together to rejuvenate your skin. I'm going to put one more layer of this toner here, you see. So I'm going to put one more layer. Apply it. Make sure you apply it. There's proper coverage on your forehead. Don't forget your neck. And then what you do is you can just pat it in to make sure that the product goes into your skin. Pat it in. Can you see already? You pat it in. So that's toner. Yeah? So step 2 is your toner. Usually I'll go in with an essence, but because I've used 3 layers of toner, I'll skip my essence tonight. So you just listen to your skin. There's no hard and fast rule. Listen to your skin and see what your skin needs. Now that I've gone in with my toner, I'm now going to go in with my serum, which is the Numbazine 5+ serum. Yep. So what I tend to do, usually the products I use in the morning are different from the products I use at night. So you're attacking it with different ingredients. So this is the Numbazine number 5+ toner. I like to put it on my hand and then spread it across my skin. So this is the serum. This feels so good. It feels so pampering. Your skin will thank you in the morning and for days and in the years and in the months to come. Your skin will just be saying thank you for the loving care that you give me, you know? So you rub it all over. Make sure there's enough coverage. Can you see? Can you already see the difference? And then whatever is remaining, rub your neck. Very important, your neck, your décolletage, because everything is one unit. You can any remaining, you can rub it in your hands, pat it in, pat the product into the skin. See, there we go. We're looking good. You want to be that by the time you go to sleep at night, you want to be looking like a glazed donut. And the last but not the least is moisturizer. These days, the weather has been so harsh. Have you not noticed the air has been dry? So I'm going to go in with something that's quite thick. And tonight, I'm going in with the Skin Fix Barrier Peptide and Lipid Cream. Love this so much. I'm going in with this. So I'll open that. And what I'll do is I'll just apply a generous amount. You know, like I said, I'm in my late 50s. My skin needs moisture. It needs lots of moisture. So I pat that in. Yeah. And then just rub it in. You know, it takes a while to absorb, but you're not in a rush. It's nighttime. It'll absorb into the skin after a few minutes. And then just make sure that you cover everywhere. There we go. Like I said, it's not fully absorbed, but sometimes, a lot of the time, I just leave it on. Leave it again. Don't forget your neck. Yeah, your chest area. That's it. And that's it. So once you come in from work, or whenever you do your nighttime regime, try and do it as early as you possibly can in the evening, so that it gives it enough time to absorb into your skin. You don't want to be doing it just before you go to bed, because if you do it just before you go to bed, then most of the product will end up on your pillow, and you don't want that. Yep. So this is the secret to my nighttime routine. I wake up, or when I'm asleep at night, all these products are working together, and when I wake up, I have glowing skin. So I just reset again in the morning. See, it's almost absorbed. There we go. Can you see? And then that's it. So I'm going to get ready to go to bed now very soon. And thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this, do all the nice stuff, subscribe, like, and smash that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and good night.